SoundHound AI is experiencing significant growth in enterprise adoption of its AI platform across a range of industries. In the first quarter of 2025, the company saw a substantial increase in enterprise key performance indicators, including a 5x growth in ticket volumes, a nearly 50x reduction in average resolution time, and a 50% improvement in automation rates. The company's voice AI engine processed over 2 billion queries in the first quarter, and its active restaurant deployments exceeded 13,000 locations, handling around 10 million customer interactions each quarter. Much of this momentum is attributed to the launch of Amelia 7.0, SoundHound's agentic AI platform built on its proprietary Agentic Plus framework. This platform is designed to autonomously perform multi-step business workflows and integrates seamlessly with existing enterprise systems. SoundHound has seen early adoption across various verticals, including telecom, financial services, healthcare, and hospitality, resulting in expanded deployments and contract renewals. The company has also expanded relationships with major clients, including a British multinational telecom firm and global insurers. In the healthcare sector, 3 firms renewed and expanded contracts, while 4 financial institutions grew their deployments of SoundHound's employee-facing AI solutions. As a result, SoundHound is repositioning itself as a scalable enterprise AI infrastructure provider with diversified vertical exposure, fast deployment timelines, and a growing base of multimodal AI use cases. The company has significant opportunities in the automotive and restaurant sectors, but it's also diversifying into other industries with different monetization strategies. Despite not enjoying the same hype as companies like NVIDIA or Palantir, SoundHound AI is expanding its footprint globally, particularly in Asia and Latin America. Helped by leveraging its proprietary and integrated AI solutions for over 25 languages, their multilingual AI voice platform is a powerful asset, allowing it to tap into the shift towards voice as the primary human-machine interface. As companies integrate AI into new physical systems, SoundHound's ability to manage local language and cultural nuances will become a significant competitive advantage. This has led to the company winning new contracts and partnerships, such as its recent partnership with Tencent to expand its footprint in the global auto market. In the automotive industry, SoundHound AI has enormous opportunities for expansion. With new light vehicle sales expected to reach 95 million units by 2028, automakers are racing to make vehicles more connected, voice-enabled, and intelligent. SoundHound AI is well-positioned in this space, offering a fully embedded voice AI that runs directly on each vehicle's local hardware, allowing automakers to maintain control over user data and retain their branding. The restaurant industry is another area where SoundHound AI has significant opportunities. The company is already working with prominent chains in the US, and once it has fully proven the value of its product, expansion into international franchises will be the logical next step. Globally, the total addressable market in the restaurant space is far higher than in the US. Beyond automotive and restaurants, SoundHound AI is expanding into other industries, including customer service call centers, smart home and IoT devices, hospitality, and retail. Each of these verticals offers distinct monetization models, from usage-based software-as-a-service contracts to per-device royalties and potential revenue sharing in commerce and transactions. As more industries adopt voice AI, SoundHound's diversified revenue streams could help it scale efficiently. The company's recent partnerships and contract renewals, such as its deal with a major Latin American resort developer and renewed contracts with Japanese multinational companies, demonstrate its growing presence in global markets. With its focus on voice AI and multilingual capabilities, SoundHound AI is emerging as a leader in the space, poised to capitalize on the growing demand for AI-powered voice interfaces. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.